Penrith Council. Every single year, at least once a year, this is what we have to put up with in Londonderry. I've just had to rescue all my animals once again. We've got the real threat of flood water coming into our house. It's rising by the minute, and still nothing has been done about the drainage. How many times do we need to flood before you're going to do something to fix this? This is a creek. This is flood water coming across the paddock, where last time we ended up with 6 feet of water on our property. This is my beautiful garden, which is now a bog garden. I wouldn't complain if this was a one-off event, but this happens constantly. My neighbour's property, they've just lost all their children's toys. Ridiculous. I'm sure the neighbours over there in their sheds will be making an insurance claim due to flooding through their property. If I wanted a waterfront property, I would have bought by the beach. Seriously not impressed. My garden is ruined again. I've just had to rescue all my chickens who were drowning. Thank goodness we got a kayak, because we might very well need it. Our indicator stick has been rising constantly. Everything in our shed's probably ruined by now.